Good morning everyone. Today we will revise from the topic division. Divide the following. That means in this type of questions we have to show the process. So let us see, few questions are written on the board. Let us revise. If you have forgot the process, we can recapture it here. And the two types of questions that I am going to show you, please follow here. Now see, first question is 39 divided by 3. I am writing here 39 and divided by 3. Now see, the first number is same, 3 and 3 are same, so I have to write 3 ones are 3. I am subtracting 3 minus 3 is 0, so I am bringing here again, I am bringing 9 down. I am bringing 9 down. Now we have to read the table of 3 until 9 is coming. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So here it will become 3 and here it is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So I am going to write here. So 39 divided by 3 equal to 13 and R equal to 0. R means remainder. What is left over? Left over is 0. So I have to write down below like this. R equal to remainder. So this is the two-step division, but every time 0 will come, you can subtract. You practice this type of questions, okay? Next one, number 2, 48 divided by 6. Now again, I am writing here 48, bigger number inside and 6 outside. 6 is smaller, so the bigger number is 48. I am writing it inside. Now we have to see the first digit is smaller. Here 4 is smaller than 6. Here 4 is smaller than 6. So we have to read the table of 6 until 48 is coming. So 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48. So we will write here 6 8 is 48. Now remainder is 0. Why we have taken here two numbers? Because the first number is smaller than 6. So that's why we have taken here two numbers. But here the first number was same as the first digit. So we have taken here one digit. Here I will write, so 48 divided by 6 equal to 8. R equal to 0. Below I have written here. Now let us go to the next question. See, we have done number 1, number 2. Number 3 is 48 divided by 4. Now here also you see both the numbers are same. 4 and 4, both the numbers are same, so we will take only one number. So read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. I am going to write here 4 ones are 4 minus, and now I am bringing here 8. Now we will read the table of 4 until 8 is coming. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So I am going to write here 2, 8. Now see, below I should write what? So 48 divided by 4 equal to 12 and R equal to 0. Okay. Next, number 4, that is 46 divided by 2. 46 divided by 2, we will do here. See, bigger number we are going to write inside and the smaller number is 2, we are going to write outside. So see, 2 is smaller than 4. So we will take only one digit. If it is same, then also we will take one digit. If it is smaller, the inside number is bigger, we will take only one digit. But if the inside number is smaller, we are going to take two digits. So we read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So I am going to write here 2 twos are 4 minus. Now I am bringing down here 6. We will read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So I am going to write here 3, 2 threes are 6. So 46 divided by 2 equal to 23 and R equal to 0. So I hope you have understood these three sums. 1, 2, 3, 4 sums we have solved. So now next question, number 5, 72 divided by 8. Now see here, let us do in another way. See, this process you know. Again, you can do in this way also. Both the side, if you are making curve and you are writing, that is also correct. If you are writing this way, it is also correct. If you are doing this way, it is also correct. Now, the first digit 7 is smaller than 8. That's why we are going to take 2-digit number. And we will think of 72. We will read the table of 8 until 72 is coming. So, read the table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. So I am going to write here 9 and 72. Here, as because I have done like this curve, so I am writing the answer this side. You may write like this also, you may follow this pattern also. Whichever you like, you may follow. So you will write down, so 72 divided by 8 equal to 9, r equal to 0. Clear, children? Next, 30 divided by 5. So I am going to write here 30, and in the same way I am going to write here 5. Now see, again the first digit 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5, so that's why we are going to take 2 digit. Please remember this, only this point. If the first number is smaller, we are going to take 2 digits at a time. If the first number is same or bigger, we are going to take 1 digit. Only this much you remember. Then you can do this type of sums very easily. Now we will read the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. So 5 6s are 30. We are going to subtract. Now see, the answer came 6. So I am going to write below. So 30 divided by 5 equal to 6 and r equal to 0. Now always practice this type of sums where remainder is 0. I will not give you sums where you are getting remainder or where you have to carry forward any number. That type of questions will not come. So only this pattern will come. So practice this 2 pattern of questions where in 2 steps division is done or in 1 single step division is done, but remainder is coming 0. So you have to follow the given sequence. So I hope you have understood. From division what more questions may come. From division repeated subtraction may come. From division a division fact may come. From division fill in the blanks may come, where division directly I will give you and you have to fill the blank. So there no need to show the process. This type of questions will carry marks, either 2 marks it will carry, and for filling the blanks either half marks or 1 marks it will carry. So by seeing the number you can understand what is the, if divide the following means you have to show the process. If it is only fill in the blanks and division is given like this, 48 divided by 6 equal to what? That means I am asking the direct answer. So you have to follow it. Okay. Thank you, children.